Hi, my name is Mike Bennett with the Automotive Training Institute, and I also share roles with many of you in that I'm a shop owner as well. And what I thought I would bring to ASCCA this time was a topic that is super personal to me. I think often in my career, and I think often in just the entrepreneurial mindset, we often look at our days, our lives, our position in a business, and really kind of judge not only our contribution to the business, but really kind of the success of where our business is maybe moving by how busy we feel, right? I call that the busyness trap, because oftentimes what we do is we equate busyness to success. And the reality is activity is truly not a metric of success. And so one of the things that I want to do in our time together at ASCCA is really dig into being able to use tools, being able to use reporting and really data to be able to have an idea of being able to critically analyze the things that we do and how does it lead itself to success or maybe distract us from success. I think one of the most important things is for us to make sure that with the limited amount of time that we have in our days, our organizational focus, because we're so busy doing the thing that we're there to do, we've got to make the time that we invest in overseeing our businesses as impactful as possible. And so being able to focus on what we call primary deliverables and the primary contributors, those metrics that have the greatest impact on being able to give us clear understanding of success versus struggle, and what of our efforts and what of the things that we're doing are truly bringing back benefit, not only to ourselves, but to our businesses, to our teammates, and to our customers. So we're going to spend our time together really focusing in on making sure that we explore the strength of financial reporting and effective use of data and really key metrics in defining our primary deliverables, those things that bring us the highest value of understanding success in our business, and some of the primary contributing drivers of that data, the things that we can help our business truly understand about the effort equaling impact, and making sure that we're focused in on the most effective behaviors and how those behaviors really drive to and contribute to the success of our business. We want to make sure that we don't spend our time just being busy and that busyness making us feel successful. It is about quality, so we want to make sure that we're focused. So I want to thank ASCCA, for giving us the opportunity, giving me the opportunity to speak with you and share some of my experiences and making sure that the time that we're able to spend really honing in and focusing on our business leads to the most successful business experience that we can have.